months, you can get lucky just about anywhere.
This is your captain speaking. We've got clear runway and the weather's fine, but we're just going to circle up here a while and get lucky. No, nothing like that. It's just these cash prizes add up quick, so I suggest you sit back, keep your tray table upright, and start getting lucky.
Play for free.
Let's watch it. Hey, watch it. Go. He's chasing. Go. You want to get it, bud? You want to get it? You want to get it, bud? Don't play with me, mother. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. I can go down this road, you little troll, and if you have a problem with it, there's going to be a problem. Okay, you're going to shoot me? You're going to shoot me, huh? If I go by your house again, you're going to shoot me. Is that correct? Yes? Yeah, you're going to bust shots off at me, right? You're going to shoot me? Oh, that's cool, bud. I know you're all high on dope. It's good. I'm going to do a crackdown on you. Yep, you're high on dope. I'm going to do a crackdown on your whole house. You just threatened to shoot me. It's over, bud. Hey, also tell him threatening
Yeah,
to shoot
you
a
said
minor.
you're going to shoot me.
Also threatening to shoot a minor.
Yep.
Stop driving by my house with your foot on the gas.
Tell him it's public road. Public road.
Yeah.
Public road, bud. I could drive by your house anytime I want.
All right, keep it up.
Tell your mother to quit honking at my fucking car. I'm not a little bitch, bud. Oh, you own the road, right? And what's this in your hand? What is this in your hand right there? Yes.
If he fucking
Come
does
on.
it, I'll call the
Come
cops.
on. Come on, bud. What's that in your hand right there? Can you please get out of the roadway so I can go down? Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
This is on TikTok. If he tries anything, he's gonna get
Can I get through the road or do you own this? Don't worry, bud. Can you get off the road? Okay, cool.
Thank you for listening to All Things Considered from NPR News.
Australia's strongest window security spray. Seriously. This driving comes with a 2-way. If it's not crim safe, it's not crim safe. Beat the heat with great deals on air conditioners now. At Harvey Norman. Need to call us more.
The storms have already started to get moving, and people, the homes that were flooded before, those aren't going to be repaired. So there's things to, at least think about for those individuals.
My best friend included.